and welcome back to another HH video. And today we're going to be playing some Tiny Troopers. And actually it's me guys, it's Lucy9. But also you can subscribe to HH and me. I'm Lucy9. Oh wait, so I've never actually played this game before. So I'm completely new. I'm a noob. So I just started off at level 1. Because, you know, I'm new. Ah! You might have seen HH Claw play this like 4 months ago. Ah! Yeah. Oh, what are those keys? It's guessing we have to go this way. Wait, have we completed it? We've completed it already. We're absolute flipping legends. Mission success. Well, it was like level 1. Still very quick. Still quite hard for my first go. Okay, so I'm gonna go on level 2 now. Level 2. Here we come. Okay, destroy the guard's tower. Okay, we can do that. Can we? I am such a noob at this game. Oh, grenade. Oh, no. Get that grenade. No, what's... Okay. Ah! They've nearly killed me. Oh, that's the guard's tower. Put a bomb there. Oh no, not there. Ah, people are... Okay, so... Oh no. Ah, I'm gonna die. We're gonna die. Ooh, we might actually be able to complete the village this time, guys. Let's go, but... Ooh. Yes. I think we're going to be able to complete this because I did see some guards by there. Ah, people! Oh, right, we already did it. It's fine. Oh, no. Go to... What does that mean by go to the extract? I'm just going to go to this medical real quick. Ah! Run! Oh my god! Ooh. Kill him! Yes! Right, I'm gonna go to the helicopter now. We've completed it. Completed at level 2. Mission success. I thought we would have to knock down that thing. I've got 1 star. Or shall I say 1 bullet? Okay. Let's go on level 3. Okay, let's go to level... Wait, I think we didn't select it. Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, yeah. Right. Level 3. Let's go. Oh, I think we can change our things now. Yes, we can. Oh, that guy looks well good. I'm choosing him. Wait, we didn't choose it. Okay, whatever. Yeah, we're fine. Right, let's go on to level 3 this time. Let's go. Okay, main objective, small or enemy buildings. Rocket. I'm already gonna get a rocket. Fire! No, fire. Let's go. How is that guy already losing health? Oh, we just blew it up. Oh, mission failed. We killed ourselves. Okay, we killed ourselves. We exploded ourselves. Right, let's go again. Let's go again. Well, that was a little bit rubbish. I told you I was a noob at this game. Right, let's try and do that again. Try and do that again. Okay. Let's see if you can hear the TV, then just ignore it. So, okay, so we got rockets there again. Let's try not to kill ourselves from that. Yes, we finally exploded it. Right, we need that medkit. Yes. No. Yes. Oh, medkit. Oh. There we go. Ah. Oh, we have to try and get that medkit now. Help. Get him. Yeah. Yes. Right, there's a medkit there. You don't really need it though. Let's just get it, just in case. Just in case. Probably won't. Oh no! Come on, get him, get him! Yes. Let's go. Ah! Oh, the two guys. Oh, we're gonna die. But I've got one guy left. Ah! Oh my god! Ah, this guy! He keeps throwing bombs at me. You're not allowed to throw bombs at people. Oh, get him. Oh, we should have used that medkit. Yes. Alright, let's get those bombs. Ooh. Ooh, medkit. Definitely need that. Yes! Got a medkit. Ah! We've only got one soldier left. Yes. This way. Is it this way? Because no helicopter. Ooh, yeah, I think it is this way. Oh, yes! It is this way. Ah! Okay. You're doing well, little soldier. Medkit. Right. I don't think we didn't get up. Oh yeah, we did get up to full health. Got those keys. Oh, whoa. We died. Okay guys, that was the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye, and also subscribe to VC9 and also HH Cool with the bell on. Bye. I said bye, so don't ruin my day.